Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you're all fine and good. Lovely viewers, today we'll see in this video. You will see in this video's modern and stylish short bob with pink haircuts ideas. For pleasant attractive, you will see unique, modern, short bob with bangs, haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyles ideas. So, lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So, guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded stylish bob haircuts designs, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyles ideas. Do you have new ideas of unique bob haircuts designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my video. So I always try to bring modern bob haircuts, front, back, and sided pose unique bob haircuts designs. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Today you will see in this videos very attractive and very stylish girls bob haircuts ideas. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos and you like this one stylish haircuts ideas. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique modern bob haircuts ideas. So I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Marvelous and stylish unique bob haircuts designs. I always try to bring very stylish, multiple attractive bob haircuts ideas. Lovely viewer, you will